This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by making sure firmware and iOS are up to date because many beeping issues come from software mismatches. Once done, visually inspect the AirPods and case for debris or corrosion that can trigger sensors. Clean gently with a dry, anti-static brush. Make sure both AirPods and the charging case are charged above 50% so resets complete reliably, and check Bluetooth pairing status in settings. These prerequisites prevent false positives and let the next steps run without power or software interruptions. Now you'll isolate whether the beeping is software or hardware. First, forget the AirPods and Bluetooth and repair them to clear configuration errors. If beeping persists, perform a factory reset by holding the case button for about 15 seconds until the light flashes amber then white. This clears cached issues. Next, test each earbud individually by using mono audio. Swap sides to see if the beeping follows one bud, which indicates a hardware fault rather than a phone or profile problem. Record which step reproduces the sound. Finish by addressing physical culprits and preparing for service. Clean or replace ear tips and inspect the speaker mesh. Trapped debris or damaged tips can cause feedback beeps. If a specific bud still beeps after resets and cleaning, contact Apple support or an authorized repair center. Provide your test notes and beep patterns to speed diagnosis. If the issue is intermittent, make sure to test with another device to rule out device-specific Bluetooth conflicts, and document exact timing and tone of beeps for technicians.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.